Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Today guys, we're going to eat this. I made this bitter gourd or ampalaya. I put it in an oven for 5 minutes, or it depends on you, 5 to 10, and then I cut it and I added ginamos, the fermented anchovies. No more salt added guys. And the sukang pinakurat vinegar guys, from coconut. This is so yummy.